Good, y'all. It's 𝙈𝙬𝙧𝙚. We got a package from Blinkers. We got some 2 gram cartridges, and we also got some 2 gram disposables. So let's get straight into it. This is their Candies edition. Unlike the other ones we tried, those were just their normal strains. Let's get straight into them. Right? We got lemon head sativa. Then, as you see, it says candy on there. Got the little lemon heads. Looks fire. We got sativa cereal milk. We got lemon cherry gelato. Pretty freaking fire. I love the little design. And then we have Blue Nerds. They also gave us another battery for the cartridges. This version is actually black. The last one we got was blue from the other video. Let's start off with the disposables since those are the easiest to get into. We got the Lemonhead Sativa. I've actually opened this bad boy up, taken a few puffs. It's honestly has some really good flavor. I haven't really done too much of it, as you can see. Haven't even really gotten it down to the tank, but the battery itself is a little lower. Really love the design of this, compact and all that. Cheers, y'all. And it doesn't really look like there's like a changeable wattage setting or anything like that on like the some other devices. Dang, those things hit. All right, let's get another one. Holy fuck. It's really hard to get a blinker on these. I don't usually do blinkers, especially on metal coils, but it's just worth trying. I at least try to get to like the 9 second mark. The lemon flavor is really subtle. It's very gassy flavor. Honestly, more gassy and like herby compared to the other flavors in the last review. The other flavors are a little more fruity. I'm really loving the flavor of this. Definitely stays to its like natural taste of strain. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just subtle lemon with like a nice gassy, weedy aftertone. Next up, let's get into the cereal milk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks to turn on. Cheers, y'all. Okay, pretty interesting flavor with that one. It's got a herby taste as well, but this one honestly gives me like coconut horchata vibes from like another video I've done with another brand. Like very much reminds me of that. Definitely not my like most favorite flavor. It kind of has that milkiness taste to it, but just not my preferred flavor personally. It still has a nice gassy aftertone, so it's not like super fruity or anything like that. So if you're into that, you're definitely this would be the strain for you. But personally, not my thing. We'll go for another 9 second rip just cause. Let's get it. God damn. That shit ripped, but it's super smooth. Like, it's not, makes you like wheezy or coughy or like phlegmy or any of that. Like, as you guys can tell, like, I recover really quick from it, but it's definitely a smacker on the throat. You definitely feel the head high, like, almost instantaneously as well. Alright, let's move on. We will do the lemon cherry gelato first. Here's what it looks like outside the packaging. Nice, beautiful golden color. We got the black battery out. Looks pretty sick. You screw on your battery right here. It looks like it also fits 2 gram carts. That's honestly a great feature. I've had a few of these like discrete batteries that only fit 1 grammers. Pretty fire, sleek design. Looks like a little nicotine vape. Looks like it's already on red mode. 1, 2, 3. Looks like you can change it to blue as well. 1, 2, 3. And green. I'm just gonna take a guess that blue mode is the lowest. I don't think it says on here. Let me check. 2 clicks preheat, 5 to turn on and off. Preheat for 12 seconds with purple light. Press button 3 times for voltage adjustment. Yep, red is highest, green middle, blue lowest. Alright, let's get it. We're gonna do it on the lowest mode and then we'll do it on the highest mode. Cheers, y'all. Ooh, okay. Definitely taste the cherry on that for sure. It's kind of like an in between. It's really fruity. At the first, you're like, whoa, it's really fruity. But then as you exhale, it gets like gassy. So it's kind of like a weird mixture. Okay, okay. I kind of fuck with the flavor. Like it's growing on me. 1, 2, 3. Kind of tastes like a red airhead. I started to get some delayed dying on those last ones, y'all. But let's get it on the red mode. Y'all probably see that shit in my eyes. Cheers. Got it. Lemonhead's still definitely number one in the flavor wise. This definitely comes in a hard second at the moment. Still gotta try the Blue Nerds, see how that is. So far, some fire. I'm honestly dying a little bit more, but I think it's just because I'm 3 freaking cart/disposables in. Alright, we're back. I was interrupted by a call, but this is the cartridge out of the packaging. Looks nice and beautiful. Slide this on there. And I think 1, 2, 3. Go back to blue mode. Cheers, let's get it. Okay, okay, this one's nice. It kind of tastes like a blue slushy. I think I said another one tastes like a slushy too, if I'm not mistaken. But I could be wrong. My high ass already forgot what I said it tasted like. The blue's getting me, but it's not like as milky as I like it. Because like if I'm gonna die, it might as well be good. You know what I mean? One, two, three. One, two, three. Alright, I'm gonna go for a fat one to end off the video. This is basically it. Give my rating at the end of this before I die, and then we'll end it off. Cheers, y'all. That one's honestly, I think, better than the gelato in my opinion. It's a little lighter on the fruitiness, but it's kind of like a blueberry flavor, I'd say. But it tastes like a slushy. So like kind of like this carbonated blueberry slushy flavor to it. But overall, I'd say W flavors. Lemon Head is definitely number one. Blue Nerds coming in number two. Gelato number three. Cereal Man number four. I would highly recommend checking them out. If you want to check out their Instagram, I'll pop up their socials right here. I hope y'all have a good one. It's been 𝙨𝙬𝙧𝙚. Peace.